Hi, Britt Davenport of hacklesandhurl.com coming to you with another Tuesday tips and tricks. Today we're going to be talking about static electricity and fly tying. Static electricity when you're tying flies is not your friend. So a few ways around it. Sometimes your hands will be a little bit staticky, so just grab a dryer sheet out of your laundry room and you can use that on your hands to help eliminate any static electricity you may have on there. Sometimes you will notice when you're stacking hair, your hair stacker will also have static electricity built up in it, which makes stacking hair extremely difficult. So along with that, you can use that same dryer sheet and just take it and just run it around the base. And then you can also run it through, or mostly through, depending on the size of it. And that helps eliminate the static electricity in your hair stacker as well. Along with that goes working with actual materials. So for example, we have a calf tail here. So you buy it at the store, it comes in a package, it's all kind of skinny and matted down in a way. So one way to really loosen those fibers up, eliminate some of the static electricity that may be built up in it, is to use static guard. So this is actually fresh linen scented. We couldn't find any unscented here in Lewiston, but if you can find the unscented, I would strongly advise that because this stuff smells terrible. But if you use it, the scented stuff, just let it sit out for a little bit after you're done, and the scent does eventually dissipate. So to start it, we're going to take our freshly purchased calf tail and we're just going to spray that down. And then I've got just a brush here, just like a pet store brush. And then you can just brush that material out. And so by doing this, it's separating all of those fibers. It does help straighten them some. And then it's also getting any static electricity out of it, which if you stack your calf tail will make that a little bit easier. And it just provides an easier material to work with if you do this with each of yours. Once you've brushed that out quite a bit, you're good to go. And now look at how much fluffier that is. The fibers are more aligned and it'll be easier to work with because there won't be static. You can always, if you find it starting to have more static in it, you can always do it again. Thank you for joining us for another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. Check out our YouTube channel. Be sure to like and subscribe, and go ahead and click that bell to get future updates for future content. Again, we appreciate you joining us. Thank you.